to my channel Excel Mania. Today we see upper, lower and proper alphabets in MS Excel. Let's see. There are 4 columns: city, upper, lower and proper characters. Okay. Then we use upper formula. Press is equal to, type upper in bracket, select the city, close the bracket, drag down to the end. Here we see there are upper character. All cities are in upper case, as same as we create lower and proper character. Is equal to, type lower, select the city, close the bracket, drag down. Now we use proper character. Press is equal to, type proper, select the city, close the bracket, drag down to the end. This is the proper use of upper, lower and proper alphabets. Thank you. Please hit subscribe, like and share this video.